Alright, so here we're going to look at this question. The question that I have here is, the angle of elevation of x from y is 30 degrees. If xy is equal to 40 meters, how high is x above the level of y? And we're given these options. So let's put the solution here. Alright. So again, the question is the angle of elevation of x from y. So let's assume that x is here. Alright. So the angle of elevation of x, this is our horizontal line. This is the horizontal line, alright? So the angle of elevation of x from y. So you are looking at x from y. So let's say that this is our what? This is our y. So you are looking at x. You are looking at x from where? From y. So that is what this question is trying to say, that the angle of elevation of x from y is 30 degrees. So the angle is what? The angle is what? 30 degrees. Alright? This is the angle of elevation of x from where? From y. If xy is equal to 40 meters, so xy, this is your xy, right? If it is equal to 40 meters, how high is x above the level of y? This is the level of y. So how high is x from where? How high is x from the level of what? Y. So this is the height. Alright? This is the height. Okay? So what we're looking for is where? The height. That is this point. So let's represent this as what? H. So this is your right angle. Alright? So you are looking for H. Now we have our hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the side facing this right angle and it is 40. Alright? And we are asked to look for where? The height. And this height is our opposite because this is the side facing where? The acute angle. So what is the relationship between opposite and hypotenuse? The relationship is what? Sine theta. Alright? So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So what is our theta? Our theta is 30 degrees. So that will be sine 30 is equal to, your opposite is what? Your h, your height. Alright? It is the opposite because this is the side that is facing this acute angle. So h over your hypotenuse is what? 40 over 40. So what is sine 30? If you press that in your calculator, sine 30 will give you what? 0.5. So that will be 0.5 is equal to h all over what? All over 40. Your 0.5 can also be written as 0.5 all over 1. 0.5 divided by 1 will still give you 0.5, alright? So the next thing that you would want to do is to cross multiply. H times 1 will give you what? H equal to 0.5 times 40 will give you what? 20. So the height of x above the level of y, which is the height here of x from the level of this y, is what? Is 20 meters. This is our answer. Alright, so the correct option here is option B, 20 meters. That is the correct answer to this question. Alright, it's quite simple and straightforward.